Eric, you played a central role in this process, right? So I wonder if you wouldn't mind kind of telling us what your experience was like with the SourceDay implementation.
Yeah, I mean, it was great. Like I said, the ability for our partners to kind of reciprocate the sense of urgency that DuraMark has is always awesome. We want to make sure when we make a decision, we commit to something, we do it quickly, and we get it up and running because we have to. It's, you know, the part of our business that we have to do. So having that reciprocation on SourceDay's side, getting implemented, getting integrated so quickly like we did, and then, you know, SourceDay being adaptable on our back end, you know, having them make kind of changes at fourth and inches. Like we were making changes at the very end of our integration that were, in my opinion, very crucial to how we operate on our daily basis. And you know, the integration team with SourceDay was great. They were able to take our ideas and, you know, make them reality with the SourceDay integration, which is always very helpful.
And how long did it take from day one?
6 days.
What?
6 days, yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
I bet there's folks on the phone that don't believe that, but it really was 6 days. And part of that is NetSuite's a cloud-based application. We've already talked about how that means it runs faster, it's more agile. SourceDay is also a cloud. So cloud-to-cloud integration is just much more lightweight. And you know, it's important for us to mention that we're built for NetSuite certified. So you came to us and we'd already built, you have a pre-built certified technology. So it was kind of plug and play. I mean, in IT land, ERP integrations, the 6 days is pretty unheard of.
Yeah, and our NetSuite sales rep actually recommended SourceDay to us, and any recommendation coming directly from NetSuite, we take very highly because we want to make sure the integration is key. And so that was a big part in us making that decision, and actually it paid off tenfold. So